Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hopefully you all will be fine. We are doing unit number 7 of science, the study of matter. In our previous lesson, we have done question number 3 and question number 4 of part 5. And today we will do question number 5. Let's start our today's lesson. Question number 5, answer these questions. Fifth one, you have a mixture of sand, salt and iron fillings. How will you separate all the components of this mixture? Question statement is, if we have a mixture of sand, salt and iron fillings, how we will separate all these components from this mixture? And the answer is, the iron fillings can be removed by a magnet. The sand could be separated from the salt by mixing both with water and then filtering out the insoluble sand. The water could be evaporated to leave the salt. Let's start the explanation how we will separate different components from the mixture of sand, salt and iron fillings. First of all, iron fillings can be separated from this mixture by a magnet. Then sand could be separated from salt by mixing it with water, and then with the help of filtration process we will separate sand from water. And at last, salt can be separated from water with the help of evaporation process. Now we will do an experiment to understand this concept. This is salt, this is sand and these are iron fillings. We will do an experiment to know how we can separate these components from a mixture. Now this one is the mixture of sand, salt and iron fillings. And how can we separate sand, salt and iron fillings from this mixture? Let's start the experiment. At first, we will separate iron fillings from this mixture with the help of magnet. This is a magnet, and magnets are used to separate magnetic materials from non-magnetic materials. Let's start. You can see iron fillings can be separated by a magnet. With the help of a magnet, we have separated iron fillings from this mixture. Because iron fillings are removed from this mixture, now this is the mixture of sand and salt. And now we can separate sand from salt by mixing it with water. Salt is soluble in water and sand is not soluble. We will dissolve this mixture in water. Then sand can be separated through filtration process because sand is not soluble in water. Salt is soluble and sand is not. And now we will do filtration process to separate sand from water. This is a filter paper and this is a funnel. Now the filter paper is folded into the shape of a cone and it is placed into a funnel. Now we will pour this mixture of insoluble sand and liquid through filter paper. Filter paper has tiny holes on it. The liquid part of the mixture passes easily through the tiny holes of the filter paper, and the insoluble sand particles, which are bigger than the holes of filter paper, will remain on it. In this way, we will pour all this liquid mixture onto a filter paper, and the liquid is passing easily through the filter paper. Now you can see sand particles which are bigger than the holes of filter paper remain on it. These are sand particles, and this is called residue. The solid part of the mixture that remain on the filter paper after filtration is called residue. And the liquid part of the mixture that passes easily through the filter paper is called filtrate. This is filtrate, and now you can see sand is separated from water. In this way, with the help of filtration process, we have separated sand from liquid mixture. Now this liquid contains salt, and salt is dissolved in it. We can separate salt from water through evaporation process. When we will heat the water, it changes into water vapors, and the salt will remain in the beaker. In this way we can separate salt from water. Thank you so much.